Ow, that's the glass.
Oh yeah.
Getting ready to list these wine glasses. 2 here and 4 here. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you how I'm pricing them for listing them on eBay. First of all, here's our draft. Mark has done all the photography and imported these, and you can see this photo right here where it says Gorham. So these are signed, and they're beautiful glasses. They're heavy. They're just gorgeous. We have our title, 2-count Gorham Crystal King Edward Pattern Water Goblet, and I think he used Google Lens to identify these. You know, of course, we had the word Gorham for it, and we've got the word signed and the height. So let's take our title, just highlight everything except the sign and copy it and jump over here. So I'm in eBay active listings, and they never show you everything. And I'm looking at the shape of the glass on my table compared to this, and it says they want $89.99 for a set of 4. I'm just going to scroll down here, $38 for 2. No, those are 6-inch. We need to focus on the 7 1/8. So I'm going to disregard these 6-inch ones. Ours are 7 1/8. Here's one listed for $14.50. But I don't spend a whole lot of time on active listings. No, I jump over to sold. And under sold, I see that just one of these sold for $17.99. Let's see if there's any others. I don't see anything. So this is what I do next. I jump over to Google and I paste my title into the Google search. A couple of things I could do here. Well, you can see I just popped this one up at replacements.com, which is a great place to source for pricing. But I go to shopping and I take a look here, and you can sort by highest to lowest, lowest to highest. Let's just sort highest to lowest. And you can see I'm not actually, nope, those are shaped differently. I'm going to just go back up to relevance. I find the 4 on eBay for $89.99. It's good to know that eBay is advertising on Google. And then I see this replacements.com, a 6-inch and a 7 1/8. This is the one we have. I'm going to right click and open that in a new window. So let's go over to replacements.com. Here it is. They have one on sale for $29.99. And what else can I find out? Well, it gives me the height and the width. It is blown glass. It's handcrafted in Hungary, Germany. And it will also give me similar items made by Gorham in this King Edward pattern. So it's a great source for information, for keywords and information. But I found what I needed here. Height confirmed, the width, blown glass. I could even put blown glass in my title if I wanted to. However, do you know that replacement sells on eBay? Yes, they do. So let's go back to eBay. I'm not going to be able to immediately find their store here, but I am going to go back to active listings. And I would think that their photo would be one of the more professional photos on here. Sometimes they have a different price on eBay than they have. Well, you know what? Let's go back to Google. Sometimes they'll be advertised here on eBay under their replacement's name. So I'm just scrolling here and checking. Nope, so far everything's just under replacement. So maybe they don't have these on eBay, but they do use their same name, replacements, on eBay, which is ironic since we're not allowed to take business off site, but big companies can always, it's a different one, but there's their replacements limited. I'm going to click on that. So I'm in their store. Actually, I'm going to visit their store. There it is. I didn't know if you knew they had a store on eBay. Don't search up at this bar. Go down to this bar within their store and paste your title and search. Let's see if they have these in here. No, they don't. It's just something I wanted to show you that sometimes you can find them there, sometimes not. But this I do know. They have them listed for $30, $29.99, and one sold for $18. It's a big difference. $18 to $29.99. So what if we put ours at $24.99? Just a little bit under this. Sounds good to me. Let's go back to our listing. And I use the custom label SKU for the date that I'm listing this, September 19th. Found them at GW Goodwill on September 6th. $4.99 for all, so about $1.66 per 2 glasses. So what a great find. Way to go, Mark. So I've already filled in the title, store category. Going to put them under Avante Home. Got them under drinkware, color is clear, water goblet, Gorham brand. So we've already filled in some of this information. Product line, King Edward, cut crystal, hand blown. We got all the key stuff in here. Manufacture time, 80 to 89. That is something you can typically pick up off of replacements, but not today. Capacity, 10 ounces. A lot of times I can find the ounces on here, but not today. This is what I need to be very careful of. You know, we used another listing to work from, and I am going to say 2 pieces in this set. And signed, yes. Got the height right. The diameter 3.5, is that correct? Yes, it is. But it's not an old-fashioned glass. I'm going to get rid of that. So what else do we need? We need the condition. So these are pre-owned, so I'm going to choose used. And I like to put read all. So let me type this condition out. So pre-owned, very good condition. I do like to put the height, approximately 7 1/8 inch high. And I'm going to put C, all photos sold in a lot of 2. To get the title, I go up here and copy and paste the title just like I have it. I'm happy with it. I did not put hand blown in there, but I'm at 80 characters, so I'm kind of limited there. So scrolling down, going to paste the title. I'm going to type condition, and I'm going to come up and highlight what I wrote for the condition, copy, paste. Sometimes I take out that colon. I have a little cheat sheet and a notepad here that I can copy some of this information and paste this to save me a little bit of time. Now, I'm not happy with this new format where it defaults to auction. Never like the fact that it defaulted to option, especially since I have to go into edit all options, turn the auction off. So buy it now, entering the price, $24.95 per glass. So let's do $49.95 since it's a 2-count lot. And I'm not allowing offers, and I'll explain why in just a minute. Quantity, I'm going to have 3 lots of 2 available. And in that lot, there will be 2 glasses. 3 lots, 2 per lot. Start immediately and private listing on. So I have 2 of the glasses on my scale, and they come in at, sorry about the glare, but they come in at 1 pound 14 ounces, thereabouts. 1 pound 14 ounces, rounded up to 2 pounds. As you saw, they came in at 2 pounds. Well, I have packaging, right, to do and everything, so I can't put any less than 3 pounds in here, minimum. As far as box size, I might get by right now with a 8 by 8 by 8, but this can change. As long as I'm under a 12 by 12 by 12 or a larger box, I'm good. Now, calculated cost varies upon buyer's location. That is correct. Let's go down here to volume pricing. That's what I want to show you. This is where the first lot is priced as is. If they buy 2 lots, I'll give 10% off, and 3 lots, 15% off. So I'm going to save that. So buy 2, save 10%, buy 3, save 15%. So that's why I do not have offer on here. I'm going to list this. Just give me a second here. And then where it says view listing, I'm going to right click to open in a new window. So this is what the buyer sees. Save up to 15% when you buy more. The first lot of 2 count, as it says in the title, is $49.95. If they buy 2 lots, it goes to $44.96 per 2 count lot. And if they buy all 3 lots, 3 or more is what it says, but all 3 lots, it goes to $42.46 per lot. So they would get all 3 lots at $42.46 per lot. And do know that the shipping that I set up at 3 pounds per 2 count lot means the buyer will be charged for 9 pounds. So I will have plenty of money for my boxing and packing materials and my time, and probably even some of the eBay fees. So I hope this short tutorial helped you how I did my research to price them and how I chose a discount for listing them on eBay. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and I'll see you soon. Ow, that's the glass.
Oh, yeah.